Okay, so welcome to Math Storia, and it's this topic, the implicit differentiation. So for the derivative of x, that's 1, and for the derivative of y, that's y prime. Then if we have this 2x, this one is 2. Then for x to the power 3, so we have 3x, then minus 1 for the exponent, that's to the power 2. Then for 3y to the power 4, so we have 4 times 3, that's 12, then y, minus 1 for the exponent, that's 3, then times the derivative of y, that's y prime. Then for x times y, so using the product rule, this is u and v. So formula for the product rule, that's v times the derivative of u, then plus u times the derivative of v. So v is y and the derivative of u, that's 1, then plus u is x times the derivative of v, that's y prime. So we have y plus x times y prime. Then for this equation, so to find the derivative, for the derivative of x to the power 3, that's 3x. Then minus 1 for the exponent, that's to the power 2. Then plus for the derivative of y to the power 3, that's 3y. Then minus 1 for the exponent to the power 2 times the derivative of y, that's y prime. Then equals for the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. Then to solve for y prime, so we need to transpose this 3x to the power 2. So we have 3y squared y prime equals, so this becomes negative 3x to the power 2. Then divide both sides by 3y squared. Divide by 3y squared. So cancel. So y prime equals, so cancel this 3. So we have negative x to the power 2 over y to the power 2. So this is now the derivative of this equation. Then for this given, so the derivative of x squared, this one is 2x, then minus 2 times, so using the product rule, so this is u and v. So formula is v times the derivative of u plus u times the derivative of v. So v is y times the derivative of u, that's 1, plus u is x, times the derivative of v, so the derivative of y, that's y prime, then plus this derivative of y squared, that's 2y times the derivative of y, that's y prime. Then minus the derivative of 6x, this one is 6, plus the derivative of 2y, that's 2, times the derivative of y, that's y prime, then equals 0. Then simplify, so we have 2x, so distribute. This one is negative 2y, then distribute. So we have negative 2x y prime, then plus 2y y prime, minus 6 plus 2y y prime, then equal 0. Then combine all terms with y prime. So we have this negative 2x y prime, then plus 2y y prime, then plus 2y times y prime, then equals, so transpose all the terms with no y prime. So transpose this positive 2x, this becomes negative 2x. Transpose this negative 2y, that becomes positive 2y. And transpose this negative 6, that becomes positive 6. Then we need to factor out this y prime. So put this y prime outside. So this becomes negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. Then equals, so we have this negative 2x plus 2y plus 6. Then to solve for y prime, so divide both sides by this negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. And also for this side, so negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. Then cancel, so y prime equals, so for this equation, since we can factor out this negative 2, so if we put this negative 2 outside, so this negative 2x becomes positive, then this positive 2y, so this one becomes negative y, and this 6 divided by negative 2, this one is negative 3. Then over for the denominator, so put this negative 2 outside. So divide by negative 2, this one is positive x. So divide this positive 2y by negative 2, that becomes negative y. And this positive 2 divided by negative 2, that's negative 1. So y prime equals, so cancel this negative 2. So we have x minus y minus 3 over x minus y minus 1. So this is now the derivative of this equation.